What I believe sets our program apart, that makes it distinctive, may be summed up in perhaps three things. Innovative academics, engaged learning, and a real commitment to applications. What I mean by innovation can be exemplified by Matt Valley, that teaches project management. What's innovative about that is the reason we're teaching it is a response to the marketplace. We saw a change in the market that called for increasing emphasis on project management skills. So we added that to the curriculum. So we try to make sure the curriculum is innovative, the curriculum changes as the needs change. What we mean by applications is we bring actual workplace problems into the classroom. We've got a guy right now teaching operations who's working with a local firm that sells electronic commercial equipment. They have problems with logistics and supply chain. What John Burbridge, who's teaching the course, is doing is he's using his class to actually solve those problems that are related to the operations management class, helping the firm and helping the students at the same time. Thirdly, by engaged learning, I'll give you a case in point. We send students overseas on trips to Asia and again to Europe every year. And we do that because we believe the best way to really learn what business is like in Hungary or Shanghai is to actually go and see it. We don't just teach those things. We engage students in what they're learning in the classroom.